In this video, I'm going to update you about the price change. Our company is taking prices down. I know it's not common, 2023, everybody's on board to raise prices because of inflation, but because we did some automations, we did automation, and we had a huge change in our code library, we are able to reduce the price because we have now lots of profits because of those changes. Because of that, we had the decision in-house. It's or keep the prices as is and enjoy huge profits, or be honest and transparent and cycle those changes back to the consumer. And that's what eventually we did. It was greed versus honesty and transparency. It wasn't easy, but honesty and transparency won. And everybody can enjoy those prices. New customers, old customers, everybody. Existing customers, they're paying the old prices, already got a notification, and they know about the price decrease. Everybody know about it. Those prices are across the board. We have three models. One is a dedicated Zoho team, and the Zoho dedicated team, basically you buying credits, and for those credits we work for you. You have analytics developers, Zoho CRM developers, lots of different resources. Another model is a fixed price, and another one is hourly. In all those platforms, the prices range, the new prices between $110 per hour to $135 per hour, depending on the scope. The bigger the scope or the bigger the package, the lower is the hourly rate. If you currently have a proposal from us, please don't sign it. Let me or Carol know about the proposal. Ask us for the pricing decrease. We are going to rework on your proposal and send you a new one. That's it. Easy, easy. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful day.